Oh, don't worry, I'll just keep on lead whilst we're around these little ones.
Come on, Stan, this way. This boy. Did she have one off?
Oh,
sorry.
don't worry, he bounces. Silly boy. Right, morning fellow meanderers. Here we are again. About with Nellie and Stanley and a little moss. So anyways, we're just gonna get a few more feet. We've got some Shetland Shelpie looking things over here which I don't want him to engage with. So that lady looks like she's got her hands full. But yeah, just about past him. Stan's got a big stick having the most wonderful list of times. Moss, eyes, sit. Good boy, let me take this off. Hang on, go on then. Go and have some fun. As long as he's with Stanley, he's a happy boy. The troublesome trio back at it again on our weekly Sunday or Sunday weekly walk. Doesn't go after this runner. Moss, leave. Leave the runner. Let's kick through the copse. Just about to see the little boy. I'm just going to go around this way, different direction to the family. This mirror just looks funny. This screen, maybe not. Maybe it's just the colours. Maybe still a bit of white balance or something. No, seems to be okay. Maybe I'm overreacting. See if we can get him back on the pip. No, he's quite happy there with Stanley. Don't want to pull him back just yet. Now he's away from Stanley, let's give him a go. Moss, come! Yes, good boy. Go play with Stan again. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm setting the standard really early with the recall on the walk. I want him to return 3 to 5 times before I actually put him back on the lead. I don't want that whistle and him coming back being the marker for the fun stopping. But yeah, it's definitely a 4-pipper. 2 to stop, 2 to come. That's okay, I can work with that. Here we are again. Gonna go for a swim, boys. It's Italian Spanolis. Shift on, Moss. You'll be fine. Morning. Hey, nice interaction, Moss. Nice and chill. Love that. Which way would we like to go, ladies? Honestly, don't mind. Which way the dogs go? They've all gone different ways. Let's keep going straight ahead. There we go. I think we went the other way last week anyways, or earlier on this week. How's your foot feeling, Jan?
A little bit.
Yeah, I heard you had a bit of a moment this week. Yeah. Bit of a roll.
Oh, yeah.
That's not good.
I fell on my hand and my knee and then onto my face.
So you need to, and your face.
Yeah, oh my God.
Fuck's sake.
It's not like a sudden fall, it's like a slow motion.
Right. Thing is, you've got to be careful because you might end up causing yourself injury elsewhere if you keep falling over. Yeah.
They're not interested, Adam.
It's mad, isn't it?
And over £1,000 to go privately.
Really? Yeah, it's not really what you want when you've got the NHS you've been paying into the last God knows how many years. Oh, Stan's on a right little wander. He's just ahead about 10 metres. He certainly will.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, that's interesting.
What's that?
Oh, he might
Has he not? Yeah, he's got a bunch of confidence this morning, Stan. Off he pops. But have they given you any kind of... Oh, she's miles back. Never mind. Pick up that conversation in a second. So it's nice when I've done with this, like... what's they made it like a hidey hole, the shed. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's probably for children, yeah. Or it'll have adults bird watching out of it. Oh, little man. So yeah, have the doctors given you any indication of exactly what's causing that ankle issue, Jan? Or
No,
is...
so it's definitely not a break.
Yeah.
I think I've done something to it when I had that big fall at home.
Right.
And I think it might be like tendons or something like that.
Like tendonitis or something. So there's plenty of ankle exercises or physio you'd be able to sort of do on it.
I was given ankle exercises which I was doing constantly. I think that's what like repaired it.
Yeah.
And then I've probably gone again. But I think I'm just anxious to do exercises. It could be the wrong one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can. My neighbour Terry might be worth speaking to. He's like sports physio sort of dude. So I had like a trapped nerve in my scapula and he fixed all of that in like a couple of sessions.
Yeah. See, mine doesn't feel, well, because it could be, like when I put it down and I had that sharp pain. But like, no, it's not. It's
No.
not the time. And in fact, you know, like I'm walking now and it feels fine, but it's not 100%. I know it isn't. You know, you can feel a difference.
You're on your feet all day with work as well, right?
Well, I need to, well, I'm on my feet all day with kids and dogs and God knows what else.
Yeah.
I do working on a Wednesday morning at the charity shop.
Okay, yeah.
Not a huge amount, but I think it probably does it good keeping it mobile.
Oh, definitely. It's just when you stood for too long that it can do you a mischief as well. So there's a fine line between good exercise and bad, and overdoing it. What's that, sorry, you're about? Oh, he still needs more antibiotics, is what he needs. I would be. Moss. I don't know, but they're putting him on, so I'm using this as an opportunity. Hello, boy. Oh, you're soaked from Stan. You're already wet. You're already wet. Go on, cheeky chops. Stop jumping on. Oi! Stop jumping on Janice and let me sort out the bloody. Trying to sort out my. Moss. Let me sort this out. There we go. Morning. Well, no worries at all. Morning, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. I love that one. She's cute. That puppy was all right in the end. Oh, what, just then? And I'm assuming just ran by anyways. They don't always do it first time. Right, Moss, sit. Sit. So do us a middle, mate. Do us a middle. Middle. Yes, good boy. Went into an automatic doggy voice then. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah, I got caught out a couple of times on my course and everyone was just like, don't we all do it? I think I picked him up, I was like, who's the gorgeousest baby boys? I try not to pick him up that much, but at that point it's like, I'm nicking a cuddle off you. these two. Definitely getting a bit scraggy on the old throat. Right here. Yeah, me.
No, I've been like it a couple of days. It's always like I'm thinking, anything that can come down the night spot that he hasn't got down.
Yeah, yeah. Sort of as. Oopsie daisy, big boys.
He's certainly not right, but there's no way they're going to stop playing golf. There's no way they're going to stop going out to drink. So he does all these things and ends up getting worse
Oh,
and worse.
Stan,
Oh,
that is an Amazon bag, mate. I think.
Where'd you get that from?
I had no idea where he got it from. He just came back with it.
it's fun though.
Yeah. And now Moss thinks it's bloody good fun.
Just go on, Mosh, you get it.
Give him a few more months, I reckon he will. I don't think there's much in it now. But Stan's definitely got the extra stride on him.
Yeah.
When we were out in the week, bloody Moss and Nellie were playing, and Nellie isn't much faster than him now.
Yeah.
Scary how quick he's got in the last week.
Nellie.
Hey, leave it. Moss, leave it. You can have a tiny bit. Yeah. He does it with everything. He'll pick it up, he'll play with it, and he'll do a few strides and he'll drop it, generally speaking. Hey, Moss. Moss, you'll show Auntie Jan this little trick you learnt this week. What's this? Moss. Recall's not one of them, apparently. Go on. Wait, what's this? Moss, ready? Mossy? What's this? What's this? Look, ready? Spin. Twist. Good boy. Like, he's learnt loads this week. Loads of obedience, but tricks as well, like that. And I was like, so I don't want to learn tricks. And then, like, they were kind of like, well, with dogs like a Jack, it's like, it's really good for their exercise, their agility and mental stimulation. It's like, oh, you've twisted my arm now. Like, that's a good enough reason for me. He seems to love it, so.
We were a bit late, weren't we?
A touch, yeah.
We just turned up for fitness and there's loads of fitness girls down, so they're running round. And we
Oh, yeah.
he could see he's going to beeline to the runners. They're stopping. At this point, just now got down to do the press up. That was it. He got his down to anyway.
Licked his head. Licked his bold little head. I think these two just rushed off with another dog, by the way. There we go. Oh, they're having a lovely time. Good morning, sir. You're right.
Fine, thank you. Just keep an eye on where they are.
Yeah. Oh, these two are having a lovely time. See, Nell's got it right. I'm going to stop and get fuss. Moss, Stanley. Come on, you handsome, majestic boys. Oh, straight in the water goes Stanley. That's good, isn't it, boy? Hey, you look at these boys. Not too far that way. There we go, okay. I literally just had the whistle to my lips then. Yeah, he's there. He's there. He's with me. What are you two faffing doing? Who's a handsome boy? Who's a handsome boy, eh? Are you a handsome boy as well? Careful, Moss, you're going to end up going face first into that. Moss, come on. Good boy. These two. Don't go into the road. Moss, come on. Come on. Little darlings. Oh, yeah, I hope everyone's having a lovely weekend so far anyways. It's been a little bit uneventful at our end, but managed to get a few bits and bobs done. You know, sort of, I might travel out somewhere, get Moss on the road next week one day. Where should I go is the question. Somewhere that's sort of just on the cusp of being outside of our 45 minutes to an hour parameter. That's somewhere that we wouldn't often go, somewhere that we would have to go out of our way to get to. So the question is where? But yeah, wouldn't mind a little adventure next week. Maybe stay somewhere for the night. Careful, Moss. Stand with the biggest stick or branch humanly possible. Moss, get off his nuts. It's unbelievable he can carry that. Strong lad. Oh, hey, Nell. This one's just literally just walking next to me, didn't even realise. Just think about getting him back on lead. Moss, come. Moss. Moss, what's this? Mossy, what's this?
I thought, oh, we're doing all right.
Good boy.
Great. Come here.
I haven't touched them. There we go. Go on, Meow. A pink pony girl and dance at the club, oh mama. A pink pony club. Go on, Moss, shift on, mate. Mossy, ready, steady, go. Good boy. And now we have done the nature reserve, we're heading around the main road onto the fields. Usual rundown for a Sunday morning. Although I do want to start mixing this walk up a touch, won't lie. But nice to have a little bit of routine in place. Wonder when we get to see Lenny today, Moss. Be nice to see Lenny, wouldn't it? He's such a gorgeous boy as well. Lovely dog. Absolutely loving him, sort of semi-blending with the autumnal drop. I think black and tan he'd stick out like a sore thumb, but actually super well camouflaged in certain parts. Surprisingly so. Little centre. Yeah, definitely feeling a touch under the weather last couple of days. Not feeling 100%, a bit tired, craggy, scraggy throat. Just on the left side. yeah, we will persevere, we will press on. Nearly at the turn off. Go on. Shift on. Shift on. No berries for you, mister. Shift on. Good boy. Shift on. There's quite a bit of rubbish kicking along here. A can of... What even is that? Never even heard of that beer. Yeah, strewn with rubbish, such a shame. Real shame. Right, come on, baby boy. Mossy. Go on, you. Go on, little man. Get your nose off those nettles. Oh, and your wool bobs. Moss, Blythe. Sit. Moss, sit. Oh, it was a half seen it. He thought about it. It's because we started walking again. Mossy, sit. Sit. Not fast enough today, mister, am I? There you go. Yeah, I probably should have done sit and leave it, then I've got all the time in the world. That's also a good bit of advice. yeah, get the treat, I'm off. Yeah, it's end of the command when the treat's been eaten. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, Moss. Little rocket ship. Oh, only a couple more months for this, mate. These won't have any leaves on at all. Yeah, I feel like it's gone from summer to like the depths of autumn really quick this year. Is it this weekend the clocks go backwards? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next Sunday, week today, yeah. Hey, at least it means we get bloody lighter mornings, Mum. Yeah, but my preference is to wake up and there be a sun in the air or in the sky. Not that that happens for long, but it gives us an...
When it got dark in the morning and dark.
Oh, it's the worst. Yeah, it's like basically got working hours of 9 till 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's depressing. January time. These guys stood for something, or they're waiting for us. Oh, they are. There's a dog there. Yeah, a little fluffy terrier looking thing. Oh, there you go. Oh, 2 little balls of fluff. Morning, mate. Oh. Oh, bloody hell, there's a load of dogs here. Little beagle as well. Cool. Oh, hang on, so the beagle belongs to him. The cavapoos or whatever they are belong to them. Did you want to go this way? Oh, because of those? Try and give them some room. Come on, boss. What's this? Well, who does? Stan? Just a big lump of muscle, isn't he, really? It does not have a scrap of fat on him, that dog. Lisa clearly feeds him nicely.
Yeah, he doesn't. I'm okay. It's just
No,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know if she gives them on a walk. It's more me that.
Yeah, I do. I'm an absolute treat fiend.
You only feed him food, don't you? Street. Yeah.
Yeah, you break it out of his daily amount. Yeah, I'm probably going to start doing that, to be honest, rather than buying
Yeah.
crap brands.
Well, getting through loads of treats.
Well, I have been this week.
Fatter as well, the treats. Like more.
Well, more
Yeah.
fat content. Yeah.
Well,
More
because
fat,
they're
more salt.
Yeah, they want the.
Yeah, they want them to be high value to the dog, basically. But yeah, like when I was on my course, he was getting through treats like a couple of bags a day, which is too much. So normally a bag will last him a week, but very intensive training, so everything's food lure. So
See, he would come back for a
yeah,
the cucumbers left into
I've never given a red pepper either.
oh yeah, you have. Yeah, you have.
Not red pepper, cucumber.
You gave him red pepper the other day. Or am I getting confused with Lisa? Oh, do you know, no, I lie. I gave him red pepper the other day. It was when I was out and about. Leave it, Moss. Yeah, apparently you can't give them too many tomatoes. They can be poisonous. Tomatine. You got garlic cloves, anything onion based, leek, no bueno. I don't know what it is. I think it's the ammonia in them or something. It's just poisonous, anyways. But they will bloody well try and eat it, given the opportunity.
It isn't nice to spit it out, but you know, if it's something
Try it.
Yeah.
food, it's been dropped.
I'm yet to know him drop any food out of his mouth. If it's food, it's getting eaten. But we have been pretty strict with him on the human food front up until more recently. Carrots is just the absolute leveler. Every time these two are fighting, shout carrots and they'll both disengage. Like, where's the carrot then? It's quite funny. Well, that's my mate Paul's dog. You'll feed it a carrot and he'll be like, just tongue it out. Yeah, not interested. Very, very fussy, that French bulldog. I'm not sure, to be honest. Like, that dog pretty much solely eats meat.
Bobbles didn't like your stuff, but he eats it.
Weird. Probably not, yeah. What is this? What's this vegetable nonsense? Sun's starting to peek through. Nice morning. Is it meant to rain today? Is it? Oh. Lolly, yeah. Moss, come. Moss bursting onto the scene like Michael Richards there. Wonder where that path goes. Intrigued. Not too far, boys. Come. Moss. Wait, that's not recording to me. Moss. What's this? Sit. Good boy. Weirdo. Where does this little nook lead into? Do you know?
I don't, oh, yeah, the lake bit.
Ah.
The dirty bit. Yeah, he started to put the bird food down there because he comes out like 3 o'clock in the morning. Live, that takes amazing photos, yeah.
Sam's going to get you, Mossy. Going up at his lips. We're not going around that way, no? Cut across, just whatever. Oh, let's go this way then. Come on, big boys. Bit rough as he's hanging off his lips. Yeah, nah, they're fine. Come on, off you shoot. Back in he goes. You're gonna get corrected by a bigger boy one day, mate. Licking the underside of his belly, so random. Moss, Stan. Come on, my little play fighters. We got ya. You got you twice. He gonna get you. He gonna get you. He's got you. He's got you. Yeah, I know. I saw his lipsticks hanging out. Dirty boy. He's having a lovely time. He's just gonna keep pinning you. It's like playing. Yeah. Just wrestling each other. Little face. Who's winning? I think Stan's winning, isn't he? He's winning. Still a wily little terrier, plying your trade on the bigger boys. Oh, bless. I think that's a disengagement now, Moss. Good boy. It's good to know when. Until then. It's enough of a break, he says. That's enough of a break, Stanley. Come play. Oh, you two. What a picture. Oh, I could just watch dogs play all day long. So sweet and innocent.
I know he loves bunny to bits. Oh, yeah.
Oh, a sticker's materialised. Where's that come from, Stan? Hey? Oh, Moss has got a stick as well, apparently.
Come on, cheeky.
It's got bloody saliva, like foamy saliva on his back. Yeah, I know, he's copying. It's quite sweet, really.
Just likes to shred it.
Yeah, well, like all the bark off of it, yeah. Those Shelbies are very well behaved. They are really yappy dogs, yeah. I don't know what they were bred to do, to be honest. They look like small lassies, because a lassie's a Shetland sheepdog, isn't it? I think. Is it?
Yeah.
Is that a Shetland sheepdog then? What we're looking at? I'm not sure. I don't know enough. Shetland? No? Oh, I think it'd be a nice opportunity to go sit in the park.
He's also known as the Shetland sheepdog.
Yeah, that's what just, yeah, it said. Yeah, okay.
Breed with a herding dog.
Right.
Shetland Islands. Correct.
They're tiny.
I guess they're really nipply and agile.
Yeah. Don't go too far, Moss. I've got that whistle in my hand, so don't make me pip it.
What did you pick with me now? Well, later.
I haven't heard it called The Pictures for ages. Love that. Moss, what's this? What's this? It's a good boy, Moss. Moss is a good boy.
He's rolling in poo. He's rolling in poo.
Shall we get home?
That shortens your run, mate. It's like Fenton. Fenton! Fenton! Shouldn't laugh. That dog's miles off. We've all been there. Fenton! Yeah. Didn't you see there was a lovely fox shit down here? Now. Go on now. Good girl. Oh, and he came back as well. I wasn't even really clocking what he was doing. Go on now. That's precisely what I bought the whistle, so I can get her back as well. Oh, little beaks. Oh, Mars. Mus! Mus! Come! What's this? Yes, good boy. Oh, she's holding. Look at the tension on that woman's lead. She needs to calm down because that dog's miles off. Hang on, I'm going to be respectful here. I'm going to put mine on. Hey, Mossy.
Stan, come here. Stan, I'm here. I'm the person.
Hey,
Stan, here.
Moss, what's this? Come. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Leave. Go on then. Good boy. Here you go. It's a little border. It's a little border. All right. This is going to be a tough shit scenario, I think.
Go on now.
Good morning. Oh, go on, Mossy. Oh, it's like a carbon copy of Stanley there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now. You know that,
We just having no. We keeping distance.
don't we? And that's his thinking as well. Intentions that he's done that.
You're mumbling, so I can't really hear you, even though you're next to me. What are you mumbling?
The dog is aggressive to other dogs and he's done that to it because he's really taken into
Oh, I see. Oh, that's a shame. A lot of people don't even realise they're doing it either.
And yet they said the other dog's really lovely. So
Yeah.
whether it had done something and made it reacted inappropriately with it.
Yeah. But reinforce the bad behaviour probably multiple times, usually a consequence of that. Oh.
Hello.
You gonna go with him? Are you gonna go with him? Oh, you can have a drink, that's good. Go on, Moss. Back up, boy. Come on, we'll walk round. Go on, sweetie. Go on, Moss. Look. Across the metal. Yeah, good boy. Oh, typical, isn't it, mister? Typical. Go on, Mossy. Go on, yay. Good boy. We'll catch up with the pack, don't worry. Don't worry. Moss, Blythe, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go get Stan. Go get Stan. Yeah, the exposure seems to be off on this on the camera. Maybe my eyesight's just getting crap. I don't know. I don't know. Where's Moss gone? I'm assuming he's with Stanley. Oh yeah, I can see him. Of course he's with Stanley. Who am I kidding? Who am I kidding? Go jump in with him, Moss. Next week, hopefully.
They said 7 to 10 days.
Is that for to see if the cyst is gone?
Yes.
Yeah, just an X-ray on the lung. Yeah. Oh, he's in. He's in.
In there.
Moss,
Come on.
leave it, Moss.
Down. This way.
Moss, this way. Come on. In your pop. Go have a swim. No. No. Different dude.
I'll put you spreading the twig to take in with him.
Yeah, I think he's stolen Stan's twig.
Yeah.
In you get, Moss. Go on. In you get. Go on. There you go. In the shallow a bit. He can't swim, I don't think.
If he was in it, he would automatically.
Oh, he did. He did when he hopped in the other week. But yeah, it's like he won't jump in unless the water's shallow enough. In theory, anyways. That's when we find out he does. Let's stop the pieces. Why will you let me play with you, Stan?
He was doing this to another lab, wasn't he? At Aston Gilton yesterday. He was running along the bank.
Oh, you're on about the golden retriever, the one that laid in the stream. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, he's well in now.
Is he in?
Yeah, he's got all his legs in, yeah. He's not at swimming point, no, so. Stan is eating a root by the looks of things. He's got a thing about that. It's actually really good for him, roots, to be fair, allegedly.
He needs a thicker one.
Needs a bigger stick. Go on, in your pot, Moss. Go on, swim. You can swim. You can do it. You can do it. Go on, Moss. You can do it. You can do it. Go on. Go on, Moss. You can do it, buddy.
Oh, you get the big one.
Not today, he says. Sounds like a partial dip. I'll take that. I just want to see him swim. So he should jump in about here because he can tread the water.
Yeah, it's when he can see the bottom, he'll go in.
And then go use his little head.
Unless he falls in, obviously. And that's it.
Yeah. Don't want him falling in, really.
But he will swim, Kelly.
Yeah. Moss, leave it. Drop it, Moss. You ready? Let's go.
What you got round?
Oh, yeah. Moss, Stan. Oh, covered mum. Moss, Stan. These two little loves. He'll get you, Moss. He'll get you. He's gonna get you. He's so clever, Stan. He just bats him off with one of his last. No, you don't. What's that? Yeah, no Lenny today. Where have they gone? Where are you gone? Oh, they have gone off again. Where they gone?
I can see them, they're fine. They're coming round the other side.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Yeah, yeah, they're going somewhere. And I think
Oh bloody hell, where did that stick come from, Stanley? Right, that's a good place to stop, I think. Thanks again for joining us for this little walk around Oakfield Nature Reserve and surrounding fields. Keep on meandering. Stay positive. Much love. Like, subscribe, tap that bell. And until next time.